How did we fail to understand the nature of the Chinese Communist Party? And the answer is simple. It's because we did not pay heed to the CCP's ideology. Instead of listening to what CCP leaders were saying, instead of reading what they wrote in their key documents, we closed our eyes and our ears. We believed what we wanted to believe, that these party members were communist in name only. Now let's be clear, the Chinese Communist Party is a Marxist-Leninist organization. The party General Secretary Xi Jinping sees himself as Joseph Stalin's successor, and Americans should be concerned. We should be concerned not just for the people of China, but for ourselves. Because Xi Jinping's ambitions for ideological control are not limited to his own people. The CCP's stated goal is to create a community of common destiny for mankind and to remake the entire world according to the CCP. The effort to control thought beyond the borders of China is well underway. Over the past decade, the party has invested billions of dollars in overseas propaganda operations to great effect. Together with our allies and partners, we will resist the Chinese Communist Party's efforts to manipulate our people and our governments, damage our economies, and undermine our sovereignty. The days of American passivity and naivete regarding the People's Republic of China are over.